Hello, I am Vivek on behalf of ACIK. Today I am going to show how you can manage your menu for your websites through Omnibus platform. Just like any other major platform for e-commerce, like Amazon or Flipkart, we offer 3-level deep menus. Now, one could say that is a small limitation that you only allow up till 3, but if you go on to these websites like Amazon and Flipkart, as I mentioned, you can see that they try to keep the level of menus up to 2, and sometimes only they go up till 3, but not anything more than that. And there's a point in that because it maintains and makes the user experience good for customers that come onto your website. If the menu level goes too deep, then it becomes like a maze for the customer to navigate through your menu just to find what they are looking for. So we offer 3-level deep menus, and that's good enough for quite a lot of customers. Now, as you can see at the top, you have pet food, pet grooming, and pet accessories. These are our 3 menu items. You can also click on the hamburger icon on the left and still see the same menu items. Now we will see how to manage or edit out these menu through our admin panel. So let's head over there. And now that we are here, we will go under the site drop down and in menu. When you click on that, we are navigated to menu editor page. As you can see, the menu items are the same whatever we saw on the website. As soon as you click on the menu item that you want to edit or check out, it shows a small section on the right where you can see it gives you various options that you can modify the behavior of the menu item. So let's look at the first one. We have display text. So if you want your pet food menu item to say pet foods, you can basically just edit your display text here. And if you now save your menu and publish it, which I'm not going to do for now because I have more things to show, you need to click on publish whole website if you want it to be reflected across all the pages. So for example, your home page, your product pages, and your catalog or tag pages. And if you just want this menu to appear on the products, then you can have other options here, which are publish all products or product pages, publish other pages for your home page and other static pages, and publish app config for mobile app. Anyway, so that was display text. The next option we have is link to. So when a customer goes to your website and they click on the menu item pet food, what should happen? Now as you can see, once I clicked on pet food, it navigated me to the pet food catalog page. Now this was because in the admin panel, the pet food menu item, which I'll just edit it back, is linked to a catalog page type, and the catalog it's supposed to navigate to is called pet food. So that's why we landed on the catalog pet food. You can obviously change this behavior. We have 4 options here. First is nothing, which basically means you don't want anything to happen if somebody clicks on that menu item. Second is catalog. So this you can click and you can actually select out of your tags which catalog page you want it to be redirecting customers to. The third option we have is detail, which is your product pages. So if you select detail and if you now select this button, it will actually give you the product picker modal. In this you can basically search for the particular product page you want the user to be navigated to. So for example, if you know the product you're looking for now I'll just type out so out of this list of products I'll select the second one here, and you can see the product code appears. And similarly, if you want something else to happen when the user clicks on the menu item, we'll see the fourth option, which is absolute URL. Once you select that, you can see a URL input box appears here. So how can this be useful is that in case you have a static page that you want the users to be linked to, for example some sort of about us page, or you could say maybe our addresses, so those kind of pages you can type out your website, or you can simply navigate to the website only and just simply copy the URL from your address bar at the top and paste it here. This will allow the users to simply navigate to the URL that you have provided here. So let's have a look at the fourth item here, which is the ref code. This is basically a reference code. So for example, if you have analytics going on and you want to monitor menu item, a lot of users are going to the product pages or catalog pages you have put down, you can put a ref code here. Now for example, I'll select my pet food catalog page here, and I'll say here ref code is menu pet food. Now if I actually go to my analytics dashboard, which might be Google Analytics or Facebook Meta, or any other analytics that you have subscribed to, if you go to their dashboard and check out the statistics, you can see that this ref code may be popping up there, and you can manage and see your statistics of your website, like how many users are going through this ref code, which is menu pet food. So you can actually have a look at it and say that hey, 60% of my users are using this menu item to go to my catalog pet food page. But that's just for an example I have given. You can put any ref code you would like and manage and track your analytics. The last item here is hidden. This is to hide your menu item without deleting it. We have a delete button here, which is this cross button. Once you click on it, this menu item will disappear. But instead of deleting this, you want to just hide it temporarily. You can select hidden yes. So these were the properties of menu item that you can set and change the behavior of the menu item. So you can see the first item here is pet food, second is pet grooming and pet accessories. Now let us say I want to have a sub menu inside my pet accessories. So what I will do here is click on pet accessories menu item, click on add below. Now you can see a new item has been created. You can now move it a level deep inside pet accessories. So you can see I'm beneath pet accessories. I'll move it a level inside. Now what we have done here is we have put a menu item one level inside pet accessories. Now we will go ahead and name it, maybe let's name it pet clothing. Now we have named our new menu item to be pet clothing. For now let us link it to a tag page, which is maybe, let's see what we have here. Let's see bow ties for now, for example. And yeah, this looks good. So what will happen now is if we save this menu item, we will see another sub menu item under pet accessories, which is pet clothing. And another modification which we can make is, for example, let's say we don't want pet food to be the first menu item. We want it to be the last or somewhere in between. So how do you do that? What we will do here is have a look at this down and up arrows in the menu items. Once you click on that menu item, pet food, and let us try to move it down, you can see now the pet food is the second item in the whole menu. Let's make it the last item. So I'll click on the down once more, and you can see it has come below pet accessories. Now this is the last item in our menu. So far we have made quite a lot of changes. First, we have created a submenu, and we have moved down the pet food to the last item, and also we have modified some behaviors. So you can see we have a ref code here now, and we have hidden it. I'll choose no, so you can maybe see like how the pet food will be the last menu item. And pet clothing here is a sub menu item of pet accessories, which is linked to bow ties. Now let us save our menu, and we will publish the whole website. So I have navigated to our website after publishing, and as you can see, pet food is now the last item in the menu, and we have a sub menu beneath pet accessories, which is pet clothing. We can click on the hamburger menu on the left and see we have pet grooming, pet accessories with a arrow button which shows that it has another menu inside of it, and the third last item is pet food, which we had set. Let's click on pet accessories, and you can see we have another menu which is pet accessories. Within there we have pet clothing. So this was a small tutorial on how to manage your website's menu and edit it through your admin panel. Thank you.